Alright, welcome back. This is Golden Legion Honey / Little Red Truck Farm. Basically, what we're doing today is we are shipping hatching eggs. These are golden death layer eggs. I do have them on eBay. As soon as I get a dozen, which is probably twice a week, I want to go ahead and list them. But I wanted to show you how I pack them. Relatively simple. You got your flakes. I'm doing this with one hand, so it'll be kind of my videography skills here. Basically, you fill the bottom, pack it down. You don't want them to move. Like, you want them to be, this secures them from like shocks. Like anything that hits the side shouldn't reach them because this is pretty solid. Then I use the jumbo so I can get a little bit of extra packing in there. Kind of nestle that in there. Put a little bit in the bottom, just for some extra. Then check each egg. You know, they are unwashed, so they're going to have a little bit of stuff on them because you cannot hatch washed eggs. Because while they are hatching, bacteria gets in because there's no bloom anymore. You're just checking for cracks. Nestle it in there. No crack. I used to wrap them in bubble wrap, but I've had pretty good success with this as well. No complaints thus far. And these are going to Colorado. And then, once you get them, you basically just fill it to the brim. And you should still have a latch. You close it. I do put a little bit of bubble wrap here, just like fold up a piece so it fits in here, and then you do the same on the other side, and that's it. I mean, then you fill the entire thing with yeah. How nice for me. What if I do? Nope, not going to cooperate. Not going to cooperate at all, and it's making a crappy video. Alright. There we go. Once again, just kind of sprinkle. If you get really big pieces, you probably want to get those out because they're going to not let the, it's probably a little too much. You just want it, and you want to always have hatching eggs tipped down. So the anatomy of an egg, here's the tip, and here's the butt. The butt is where the egg sac is, the big end. So you want the air sac up. I'm looking through my camera here, so I can't really see. Yeah, a little bit of poop, but that's okay. As long as they're not covered in yolk, that seals all the pores, because, the egg breathes through membranes, and there's pores in the egg, very microscopic pores that allows it to get in oxygen and other things. So if it's sealed with egg yolk, the egg's gonna die. And so you can see here, you still got a little bit of protection over there, but not much, and that's why I put the bubble wrap. I don't have that prepared, so that's not gonna be. I'll show you after. All right, there we go. If you have some extra, just throw it in around. Make sure it latches, like so. I try to put them on opposite sides. Don't want to butt them up too close together. You want to get some stuff between there. All right, let me pause it real quick. Alright, continuing. So I got the bubble wrap in here since I offset the open sides. We're going to do it on here. Just remember, pointy side of the egg down. You want to really shove it in. So there's still some cushion, but I mean there's air between these, which creates cushion. But you want to make sure that your stuff isn't touching the side of the box. Gotta make sure we get every little. I shoved some down in between them as well. So here's the top of the box. I'm gonna be to the top, the tippy. And that's it. You seal it up, tape it up, and you should be good to go. I mean, I've had some go all the way to Hawaii, and I'm in Texas, and no complaints. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. The Chicky Buck Box would appreciate it. Huh, little guys. Alright, thanks again.